Morning, people. It is day 2 at Skeleton's Lair in Bowling Green, Kentucky. We're throwing down on a spider room and the facade for the spinning tunnel. Let's get it done. Hey guys, Stuart Smith from STUARTIZM Designs here at Skeleton's Lair. Today we're going to be working on the facade for the spinning tunnel. We got the skin done yesterday, and we're going to be working on the spider room. Floors will be done on Monday, but we're going to sit there and throw down all the cobwebbing and the detail and stuff. Try to do start to finishes with the time lapse. It's a little dark, so I'm doing my best to sit there and get as many snaps as I can as the work progresses. So hey, look, enjoy, like, please subscribe, hit the little bell, a lot more coming. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Enjoy.
Oh, and a little side note. It's hot here. I'm sweating places I didn't even know I had. Oh.